95.5 WSB meteorologist Christina Edwards here with John Harmon of American Crawlspace Solutions. And we're standing next to this big wooden column here, but John, it's got a proper name. What is this?
Yeah, that's a great question. This is what we call a pier. So houses have piers made of brick, wood, steel. There's lots of them. This one is made of wood. So obviously this one is in really bad shape, suffering from humidity from all the years of just having a wet air down here. The customers actually hired us to replace this one with something a lot more stable. But we wanted to help our viewers understand, what causes the damage. So can you walk us through what causes the damage?
Sure. So when we talk about the air is humid, there's a lot of water content. There's water droplets actually in the air. You just can't see it. But it's actually being absorbed by the wood here, making it heavier, but it's also causing the wood to sag. So the pier itself is compromised, the floor starts to sag, you've got some issues. But John, you can help out with that, right?
We can. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to come in and put in what's called a shoring jack, which is a temporary jack. Then we can actually remove this one. We'll pour a dedicated footing, which I don't know if you can see it or not, but we've got to put a dedicated footing up underneath it. That's what gives it the stability. So once the concrete is cured, we'll actually come back in and put in a new one right here that's made of steel, and it's going to be rock solid.
So if I see something like this and I'm like, uh-oh, I think I've got a problem, what should I do?
You should definitely give us a call. You can check us out online at AmericanCrawlspaceSolutions.com, or if you wanted to call our office, we'd be glad to talk to you about it.